My name is Isaiah McKinney. I'm the process engineer for the Morristown, Tennessee plants. The reason I chose to come to Riches was the promise to be a part of the family, to be something more than myself, to be able to expand on my job and become a better engineer. One of the great things about working in engineering is that every day is a new challenge. Something as simple as designing a product for a conveyor belt or something more complex as far as programming a robot. So we get that chance to come in not knowing what we're going to get to work on, but whatever it is very innovative and very efficient. I would describe the culture at Riches as being encompassing. Going from the very first day that you walk in the door to being greeted by your first family friend of work, being able to really just enjoy coming to work and being with friends. One of the things I'm looking forward most to the experience with Riches is the fact that I have no idea where I'm going. I may be an engineer or I may be something else. It's just the fact that Riches has unlimited jobs and security as far as where would you want to go, they can make it happen. You are the driver, so you pick your avenue where you would like to go. One thing that I live by is never set limits to what you can do in life.